Okay, in this video we're going to go over how to set the production for embroidery. We've looked at this screen printing, so we're going to now create a new production group. So I'm going to click on Add. Remember from the quote video, we told you exactly what this means. It's pretty much an invoice in an invoice. You do not have to create an additional invoice with the same customer. We can continually take on many jobs and all have it in one area. So I'm going to rename this just to EMB for referencing, and we'll click rename. So I'm going to add a catalog product for my embroidery, and we'll just I don't even know what this is. We're just going to select through it real quick because the main thing about this video is we're going to reference strictly our production. So we're going to add embroidery. We're going to select embroidery charges. I'm going to do 6,000 stitches, and we're going to do this on the front. So now we have an opportunity. I'm going to hit the save button, and it asks me again if I want to send these products to the purchase list. At this point in time, I'm going to tell it no, because once I'm completed with this, I'm going to delete this production group so we can progress through with our t-shirts for training purposes. So I'm going to say no here. I'm going to go to production information. Now this is a little different. The difference between this is it doesn't know how many thread colors I have, so I must stipulate that. And the way I do that is right here where it says sew order and colors. So let's just say we're going to do 3. It'll be a 3-color sew. So I'm going to select edit, and then it's asking thread colors. It's going to be black. I'm going to use Madeira, and I have no clue what black is, so we'll just select a color and move on. So we're going to say save and close. If I have any comments, I can put them there. My next sew color we'll say is dark brown Madeira, and my third and final color is going to be gold, and I'm going to hit save and close. Now at this point in time, as everybody's aware, with embroidery we need to have a specific sew sequence to make our design look correct. So if you look at this and after you did the production sheet and you decide that this is not the sequence that we're going to sew this, because that's very important, we can make that change. Say for instance black needs to sew last. I'll select the black, I'll come down here to the arrows, and I'll click 2 times. That'll bring my black to last. And we'll just say maybe the gold sews first. So I'm going to select the gold, and I'm going to click 1 time up. Now my sew sequence is exactly like it should be. Gold, dark brown, black. I can import the image, which again I only have one to work with. I would hope you would import your correct one. Any production comments that I may have. And then again, this is very similar to our screen printing. It wants to know what am I sewing on. And we'll just say it's a t-shirt. Well, I'll tell you what, let's change this up a little bit. Let's say it's a hat. It asks me what side. We're going to sew on the front of the hat. There's our image. We can place it on the center of the hat. And now my production sheet is completed. It took me a whole 15 seconds to do this, or maybe a little longer, but you get the idea. Again, I am done, so I'm going to put a check mark here so it doesn't show up in my console as not completed, and I'll hit save and close. And it's as simple as that. And keep in mind, all the production that you do on any repeated jobs are there for the next time. You don't duplicate this. I mean, you don't have to do it again. If you select right here, duplicate invoice, all the production comes over that you had previously done. So it's very fast, and everything is there for you. And that's it. Thanks for watching.